Hi there, Richard here from Lepus Proprietary Trading. I just want to go through a couple of trades that we did in the last couple of days so that you can get a feel for what we're doing. I'll dive straight into it. We've got a fairly significant level up here at 70 cents. Let's go to 70 cents. There we go, 70 odd cents up in here, and we could see here that we've got some resistance up in there. So pulling that right across, the Aussie did attempt to move past it, but it did form this really nice tiny little head and shoulders. Probably looks better on a half-hour chart. As a head and shoulders. I mean, the shoulders aren't quite perfect, but it did look good. We were up at the top of our range, so looking for a short in there. I was pretty happy to take a short. So let's just take our head and shoulders in here. There's the other shoulder. And we were looking for a target down into here somewhere. Okay, so let's just do our 1:1 rule. Okay, so there's our target about there. Okay, we did take a trade short on this. This was last night, obviously, or yesterday to last night. So I'll put the short position in there, just as a broke in there. Had the stop up above that right shoulder, and we've got our target down there at that 100% mark. Now that was a 1.67 risk to reward ratio. Now, obviously, as the night went on, it did struggle quite a bit to get moving, but it did end up going in our favour. It bounced off this 200 period moving average, but I think because we were battling with this Fibonacci to the upside of this 618 level. Wider time frame guys really wanted to keep pushing it higher. So what I did is I just moved it down to just above the last high as I went to sleep. That was probably about 10, 11 o'clock last night. And it ended up popping up and stopping me out. So let me just show you the actual. There's the trade there down in here. And I just was a $634 loss on it. So it's not something really that big. Let's go over to this dollar Swiss that I did the night before. Let me have a look. Where's my dollar Swiss? Here it is. Here it is. So we had this significant bounce in here on this. We had a little head and shoulders in there, and then we had another retest of the support level, and then we had the break of this trend line. So I wrote it, right up into about that level there, and that came out pretty quickly, and that gave me a nice 1:1 type of risk to reward ratio. So that was worked in my favour. So in the last couple of days, about an $8,000, $7,500 win. Now let me just quickly talk to you about a trade that one of my other traders took. This was really nice. This was like a retest of a significant level in here. This was a nice level. Let me just get rid of that. And I'll just stretch this all the way across. Retest of this type of level as a kind of pseudo double bottom in there, and then just went back up into the top. Let's do our double bottom rule in there. So there was the target up in there. So that was a nice win. That was probably about 3% win for us on that one. So well done to my trader on that. We're forming now a double top again. Okay, so we'll see what happens if we break this trend line in here and these lows. Okay, all right, so I thought that'd just be a quick little overview of what we've done in the last couple of days. So enjoy your weekend. Thanks, guys.